Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Prina Drawing Kit. First, let's explore what's inside. Your kit is a comprehensive set, often featuring 50 to 76 pieces, designed for artists of all levels. You'll find a variety of graphite, charcoal, and colored pencils, along with a unique 3-color sketchbook. This foundation provides everything needed to begin your artistic journey, from initial sketches to vibrant finished pieces. Now, let's dive into basic drawing. Start with your graphite pencils to lay down initial outlines. Remember, you have a range from very hard 5H pencils for light lines to very soft 12B pencils for deep, dark shading. Use the blending stumps to smooth out your graphite and charcoal work, creating seamless transitions. Charcoal pencils are excellent for adding dramatic contrast and rich, velvety blacks to your artwork. Ready to explore more? Your kit often includes watercolor pencils. Activate them with a wet brush for beautiful, paint-like washes. For a touch of sparkle, try the metallic pencils to add shimmering highlights and unique textures to your drawings. The kneaded eraser is fantastic for lifting color and creating subtle highlights, while the sandpaper block is perfect for shaping blending stumps and creating fine pigment powder for soft shading. To keep your Prina kit in top condition, always use the included sharpeners to maintain sharp pencil points. Store all your tools neatly in the pourable zip-up case to keep them organized and protected. Don't forget to consult any included tutorials. They offer excellent step-by-step guidance. Finally, regularly clean your blending stumps to avoid mixing unintended colors in your beautiful new creations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.